Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Install a trusted webcam app on your phone and the companion client on your computer. Once done, decide whether you need the reliability of USB or the freedom of Wi-Fi, and enable USB debugging on Android or the app's camera permission on iPhone. Make sure the phone is charged and the cable is data capable. This reduces dropout. You'll also want to close other camera apps so the stream can initialize. Next, configure the app on both ends. On your phone, grant camera and mic permissions and pick the camera orientation you need. Back camera gives better quality. Then open the desktop client and select the app's virtual webcam as your input source in video settings, adjusting resolution and frame rate for performance. If using USB, confirm the phone is detected by the desktop client. If using Wi-Fi, enter the pairing code or IP address shown on. Finally, choose the virtual webcam in your conferencing or recording software and run a quick test to check framing and audio sync. Make small adjustments on the phone, lock exposure, tap to focus, and turn on Do Not Disturb so the image stays steady. Once everything looks right, secure the phone on a tripod or clamp. If problems occur, restart the app and client, try a different cable, or switch from Wi-Fi to USB to eliminate lag and dropouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.